Nedbank online banking enables you to make single, multiple and official payments in minutes, no matter where you are. To make a single, once-off payment, log in to online banking and select Pay. Select Single Payment. Type the details of who you need to pay. Select the payment method. Select the bank and enter the account number. Enter the amount and specify from which account. Select the payment date. Enter your reference and the recipient's reference. Select the notification type for your proof of payment: none, email or SMS. Click Next. Check that all the details are correct. Here you also have an option to save this payee as a recipient. Select Pay.